Hello viewers, welcome to Let's CSE. Today in this video I will discuss about universal gate. First, what are universal gates and why they are called universal gate? Big question mark. Okay. Now, what are universal gate? NAND, NAND and NOR. Okay, these two are called universal gate. These two are called universal gate. How NAND is represented? NAND is represented quite like this. First and negation of and is negation. This bubble in front of and is negation. Negation of and is NAND. Similarly, NOR, negation of or, negation, in for negation of or is NOR. Okay. uh, so NAND and NOR are universal gate. Now, why they are called universal gate? It is because we can realize any boolean expression possible, using NAND and NOR only. We can uh, express any boolean expression using these two. Now I will show you how. First, let's see. First, let us do and operation. First, let us do and operation and using NAND. Okay, and using NAND. First, I am taking two inputs A and B. Okay, doing NAND, doing NAND of these two. A and B NAND means A dot B, and this and is this A dot B whole negation. This is NAND and negation of AND. Simply negation of AND is NAND. Now we will take this output and do the NAND of this NAND this. That means this is A dot B and NAND negation of A dot B and negation of A dot B. We are doing NAND of these two. Okay, so what we will get? We will get C A dot B negation dot A dot B negation whole negation. Okay, I hope you know the De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule means this A dot B double negation plus this and changes to or A dot B, this negation plus this negation, that means double negation is A dot B plus A dot B is A dot B. So extremely sorry. Yes, A dot B. Okay, so we have derived AND operation using NAND. So first operation is done. Now we will see not using NAND. Very simple actually. We'll take input A not. We'll do the not of A. That means the output will be A bar. Correct? A bar will be the output. We will do NAND of the same input. NAND of same input. We will get A dot A whole bar. That means A bar. A dot A is A. That means A bar. That means we got the NOT operation. See, AND operation is done. NOT operation is done. What remains? OR operation. Now we will see how to find OR using NAND. OR using NAND. First we take A input, doing NAND of this. Then B input, doing NAND of this. Then taking both the output and doing NAND of this. Okay, A dot B whole bar. That means A plus B. To understand this, first we have to clear one thing. See, we want to do or, that means we want to do a plus b, correct? We want to do a plus b, the output should be a plus b. To get a plus b, we are doing complement, a plus b double complement. That means a plus b double complement means what? A plus b. So we can write this. Now a bar dot b bar whole bar, we can write this. See the De Morgan's rule. I have applied the De Morgan's rule. A bar dot b bar. Okay, clear? A bar dot b bar whole bar. So if we try to do this, we can get this. See, at first I have done the naught, a naught. I have got the a naught. This is a naught. Then using the same naught, application of naught, I have done the b naught. Then a dot b naught. That means we are doing a naught b naught. A naught dot b naught whole bar is a plus b. See, so OR using NAND is also successful. We have got the three operation using NAND and not OR. What else is left? Everything is done. If an expression is given, we can clearly make the expression successful using NAND gate. Now we'll see how we can deduce AND or NOT and OR using NOR gate. Okay. Let's see. Using NOR gate we want to do now. First not using NOT. Okay, first not using NOT. First we will make NOT. Taking a output, we want a bar. Okay, doing this. This is OR, negation of OR. This bubble is negation. That means a or b whole negation, which gives us a bar. Correct? Am I right? Carefully watch it. Now we'll do OR. Now we'll do OR using NAND. OR using NOR. Okay, OR using NOR. How to do it? First two input, one is A input and B input. Now we'll do the respective NOR gate apply. Okay, we'll apply NOR gate to the respective input. Now what we will get? NOR gate means A bar. This is A bar and this is B bar. Am I right? A bar and B bar. Now doing the NOR of this will give us A plus B. Now carefully watch. How am I getting this? I'm sorry, very sorry. This is AND operation. This is AND operation. And using NAND. How am I getting this? This we want as output. Okay, A dot B. We can write A dot B double complement as A dot B. A dot B double complement means A dot B. Now we using De Morgan's rule, we know A bar plus B bar whole bar. I have completely changed the inner bar to De Morgan's rules. A bar plus B bar whole complement. Now see, this OR means what? OR means A bar plus B bar. OR means this, and this negation is whole bar. This expression means this A dot B, right? So we have got AND using NOR. Now what remains? OR using NOR, right? Now what remains? OR using NOR. OR using NOR. OR using NOR. This is very simple. Taking A and B as input, doing NOR of these two, doing NOR of these two, and again doing NOR of the same input twice, okay, we get A plus B. See how? A plus B whole complement, right? By doing NOR here, we get A plus B whole complement. Now using the same output twice as input here, we are getting A plus B whole bar plus A plus B whole bar and negation of whole thing, A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar. Suppose this means A plus B bar whole bar, that means A plus B, right? I hope you understood this rule, simple rule. If this was A bar plus A bar, what will be the output? A bar. Instead of writing only A, I have A plus B plus A plus B whole complement, simply. So see, no other operation remains. NOT operation is done, AND operation is done, OR operation is also done using both the universal gate NAND and NOR. That's why it is called universal gate. They are called universal gate because all the operation expression can be done using NAND and NOR. Okay, I hope you understood the logic behind, and I've shown you the circuit diagram. This comes in exam very much. Why NAND and NOR is called universal gate, and you have to show this diagram and write the whole thing, these three and the previous three. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe and press the bell icon to get further notification of my next video. Thank you.